Or don't, then. Go ahead. You want to have a game? Draw something cool on the ceiling. Obviously. Wow, that's insane. Not too hard, you. Bloody hell. That's insane, man. Wow, there's so much shit on it. It's like it's got helium in it or something. It's well cool. I want one. Yeah.
You gotta be careful.
Oh no, I'm not touching that then. Oh, it's on me. Oh my god, it's on me! Oh, I've got an idea. Yeah. Well, if you just lie on your back and use your feet, you can make it spin.
I'm all covered in chalky now. This isn't gonna work, honey. Go on, get under it. Yeah, it's probably all over your iPad case.
Oh, it is?
Okay.
It's absolutely working.